Here's the border.
Here's the border. Passports. Let's slow down and see what it says. Is there anybody there? No. Now we're in Slovenia.
That's how borders should be. Thank you, Brexit.
Slovenia.
Welcome to Slovenia.
We'd managed to book onto an English guided tour of Ljubljana Castle at 1 p.m. So we drove straight there, parked up and walked into the main square before heading up through the pretty cobbled streets towards the castle. There's Ljubljana Castle up there. As usual, you've got to go uphill to get to the castle. The tour was interesting and entertaining, with actors playing the parts of historic castle dwellers. We had the Romans, St George, the Habsburgs, Napoleonic soldiers, prison interns, and finally this guy, Ivan Chybar, who had a vision of what the castle could and has become.
A great halls for gatherings and dances would find its place.
Cracking view from the top of the tower.
Yeah, it was almost worth all those steps to get up here.
Good 360 all the way around.
Almost every type of street food here. Chill place. Egyptian. Drinks as well. Certainly well supported. Footpath.
Oh, yeah, it's the old bridge. I didn't realise there were 3 sections.
Right.
So we've got to go across all 3.
That bridge down there is full of locks and keys. October, and the weather is just fantastic. Sitting in the middle of Lake Bled on the paddleboard. That's Bled Island. There's all the mountains. Beautiful spot. Hello. That's Bled down there in the distance, and that's Bled Castle up on the cliff top.
So we're off this morning to do some shopping to the village of Bled. Not a bad place to go for a bike ride, is it?
It's a lot quieter than it was yesterday.
A lot quieter. We need to get the paddleboards out on this today.
Yeah.
So this is Bled, complete with ride on lawnmower noise.
And swans on grass.
There's Castle Bled, the island of Bled.
Or Bled Island.
Bled Island.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
What did it bleed?
This is Bled Central Park.
It hasn't been a particularly unpleasant shopping trip today.
In fact, it's been a very pleasant one.
So we've opted for steak instead. It's
Stewing
cheaper.
steak. Yeah. So we'll get back and
Put it on the slow cooker
put it in the slow cooker, do a beef bourguignon
and go for a paddleboard.
and go for a paddleboard, yeah.
We go back into Bled via the lake for an ice cream. Whoa! Come on, have a look at that. Oh, I've just spooked them.
It's another beautiful day on Lake Bled and we're out paddleboarding again. The sun's shining and the lake today is actually a lot quieter than it was yesterday. Hello!
Hello. Good here, isn't it?
Yeah. It's quieter than yesterday though, isn't it?
It is.
We're at the other end of the river now,
Hi.
having ice creams. We paddled over to Bled. And what's your flavour?
Head sloggy or something?
Sloggy. Sloggy wingly.
Or hedge sloggy?
I've got chocolate. But yeah, it's going to be a bit bright, but there's the lake. And we've just paddled the length of it, eating our ice creams. Now we're going to paddle back.
We drove to Bohinjka Bistrica, a village on the edge of the Triglav National Park, before cycling to the cable car, which takes us up to the Vogel ski area. Another day, another chairlift
Yeah, but this time in Slovenia.
in the Julian Alps,
Yeah, the Triglav National Park.
and it's so beautiful, it's untrue.
It's absolutely gorgeous, and the cycle ride to get here, in fact the drive to get here was lovely as well,
It
wasn't it?
was some beautiful villages.
And We're camped about 5.5 miles away from the chairlift station, so we cycled down.
Yes. I think you'll find we cycled up.
Cycled up, okay, we're past a gorgeous lake, which you can't see from here, but maybe on the way down we can get some pictures of it.
We've just been flying the drone and it was struggling against the wind. It did manage it though, but it's safely tucked away. Cheers. And this is the view of the tree cliff. Run!
Run!
Yep.
I'm glad I didn't spend time doing my hair. Lovely view of the mountain there, isn't it?
I'll get the...
You might get the lake on the way down as well. Yes. Or are we not in the right position for it?
We might do.